Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Grammarly for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar of the Play Store, simply search for Grammarly, and then hit install right next to Grammarly to install it on your device. If you already have installed Grammarly, head over to your app drawer, search bar, and then type in Grammarly. Open up Grammarly on your device. After you're inside Grammarly, you can simply hit get started. Agree to the terms and conditions of Grammarly, hit open settings and allow the permissions. Scroll down to find Grammarly and then tap on allow display over other apps. After that, you must hit open settings again, hit agree again, and then make sure that Grammarly has full control to your device. After that, you can either continue with Google or sign up another way. Tap on sign up another way if you do not want to continue with Google, in which you can enter your email address. If you do not have an account, simply hit I don't have an account, enter your email address, hit agree and sign up, in which you'll be asked to verify your email address through a verification code. You can also sign up with Google or Apple. After you've signed up over here, you'll automatically be logged into Grammarly, and then you can start using Grammarly on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.